just for a very small meetings, just 15, 20 people. Just we are organizing, regularly organizing here some meetings.
Yeah.
This restaurant, the name of this restaurant is Article 21. This is a Constitution Club, and Constitution Club is the Parliamentarians Club, and this restaurant called Article 21. Article 21 is explained in the Constitution of India as a fundamental right, and the fundamental right of livelihood. So Article 21 has been explained in the Constitution of India for the fundamental right of livelihood. So the restaurant's name is the
Of all the
21.
population, of everybody.
Previously it was a parking only, now it just annex has been developed.